Welcome to Habib Aquavita, a product of Habib Consumer Products Private Limited. Habib Consumer Products Private Limited is a part of Habib Group of Companies Pakistan, the premier group that owns and manages some of the leading industrial projects in Pakistan. With the introduction of our new business venture, we have introduced 19 liters bottled water by the name of Habib Aquavita. We are fully committed in implementing stringent hygienic controls and standards in our processing facility to assure the safest drinking water to our valued customers. We are also committed to continuously improve the effectiveness of the food safety management system. As management, we will assure that this policy is communicated, understood, and complied by downstream, in-stream, and upstream partners within our supply chain. Habib Aquavita is purified via reverse osmosis technology, a system whereby water passes through numerous microfilters, which filters even the minutest bacteria. The water is then enriched with essential minerals, ensuring the high standards of purity and safety. Employees follow a strict routine of sanitation and hygiene practices before stepping into the facility and while monitoring the water purification process. Laboratory testing and analysis is conducted to ensure that every drop continues to maintain the perfect balance of minerals and premium standards of Habib Aquavita. Our quality assurance department is equipped with the most advanced technology and applies all the international rules and regulations as per WHO and PSQCA to produce water. Habib Aquavita undergoes online testing at every stage of processing, thus ensuring 100% quality water to our customers. Habib Aquavita provides water of highest standards of purity, quality and safety to ensure the well-being of your family. We believe that every individual should have access to the best possible quality of drinking water. So whenever you have a sip of Habib Aquavita, you can be rest assured that it is the finest drinking water available.